In this video, I will be showing you how to pay and buy a game in Steam. So let's get started. First thing, just come into the store and search for the game which you want to purchase. In my case, it is NG Beam Drive. So here is that game. I will just click it. And if you scroll down, we'll be having here the price of the game along with add to cart. So just click on add to cart. And as you can see, this game has been added, and make sure that you are selecting for my account. If it is a gift, you can select that also. In case if you have other games, you can just click on continue shopping. If this is the only game, then just click on view my cart. If you want to add or remove, you can do that, and this is the total amount that we are having. Just select continue to payment, and we need to select a particular payment method. Here we are having the drop down, and these many options are available, and the options that you see here differs from country to country. In case if you want to pay using your card, you can select Visa, MasterCard, credit card or debit card. Even net banking is available. Even if you want UPI, you can do that. You may also have PayPal if it is supported in your country. So just make sure that you are selecting the right option and then entering all the necessary details, and just click on continue. Once you are done entering all the details and completing the transaction, we'll be getting thank you for your purchase, install your new content, and we'll be also be getting some Steam points along with the receipt. So here we'll be having return to the store. Just select this. Now just go and select library, and as you can see here, I'm having Beam NG Drive. Select this, and I'm having here the install option. So just select install and select the desired drive of your choice. If you want to change it, you can simply click on manage storage and select a different drive over here. If you're fine with it, you can simply click on install and just select install over here, and it will ask you some license agreement. Read it through and click on accept. If you click over here, the game that you have purchased, the download will be getting started. Once it is done, you can just start playing it. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel and a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.